It's Nick, and we're making jambalaya using one of our jambalaya packets. Start by melting butter in a large Dutch oven or similar dish. Once the butter's melted, add the Cajun Holy Trinity, celery, onion, and green pepper, plus garlic, and cook over medium heat until the vegetables are softened. This vegetable combo adds great flavor base and a nice crunch to the finished recipe. Once they're soft, we add in tomato juice and stewed tomatoes to make the sauce. We include our andouille seasoning in the packet and use it to season the dish. We give you plenty and it has good heat, so only use half of what we give you for a spicy but not burning hot dish. Use it all if you want a real kick. Now is the time to add protein. For this, we're adding cut up andouille sausage. Our andouille is pre-cooked, so no need to cook it first. You can also make this recipe your own by adding cooked chicken, ham, cooked shrimp, or more sausage. Add in cooked rice and stir everything together to combine. Cover and let simmer for about 30 to 45 minutes until everything is cooked through and warm. This is one of those recipes that smells so good when it's cooking, you're gonna have a hard time keeping away from it. Alright, time to serve. I always like this recipe in a bowl. It just feels right eating it this way. The dish will warm you up and fill you up. Happy Mardi Gras. Enjoy.